Hi everyone! Animals often encounter difficulties, but fortunately, there are still people like these around the world.
Here you go.
Those
Here
who
you
are
go.
willing to help animals in need. Today, we will show you many heartwarming moments of humans assisting animals facing challenges. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. At the bottom of the deep sea, an innocent sea turtle is entangled in a ghost fishing net, struggling with death as it gets closer and closer. But soon, a brave diver arrived. With skill and compassion, he frees the turtle, bringing salvation to an innocent. Waste is not only a danger to humans, but it also greatly affects the living environment of animals. A typical example is this turtle. If it is not lucky enough to be helped by humans, maybe it won't be able to have a normal life like its fellow humans. The next example is also the case of a poor turtle. Everyone is trying to work together to help this poor turtle regain his freedom. The captive environment in the circus tent and unreasonable care regime caused the 9-month-old tiger cub named Asha to weigh only as much as a 3-month-old tiger and suffer from a skin disease. Luckily, it was rescued and cared for by the Wildlife Conservation Center. Its body recovered and became happier every day. I believe that all animals will be gentle with your kindness, as was the case with this man and this bear.
Руки не подставляй.
And here is an exhausted deer in the middle of an icy river. It would not have survived the night without local people promptly detecting and rescuing it. Her life is now in a better condition. This moment warmed my heart. God, what happened to this poor dog? What would his life be like if he hadn't met this kind girl? It changed completely after being under her care. A mother's love isn't just found in humans, but in elephants it's powerful, unshakable, and deeply moving. Every moment you're about to see will make your heart believe even more in kindness and in the miracles of life. Schaunaingber einnisend. A mother elephant stopped a tourist's car, as if begging for help. Her baby had fallen into a deep hole and couldn't climb out. It was truly touching to see a brave mother elephant shielding her baby with her own body. Sadly, her head struck the wall of the sewer, and she lost consciousness. The baby elephant feared the worst for her beloved mother. But fortunately, humans stepped in and rescued them both, safe and sound. What a truly magical and unforgettable moment. Stories like these reveal the extraordinary bond between elephants and humans, and sometimes they inspire us to imagine even more dramatic challenges. And reality can be just as moving. The baby elephant was unfortunately stuck in the mud, and its mother did not abandon her baby and protected it from human approach for 2 days. To ensure the safety of both sides, the rescue team had to use tranquilizers for the mother elephant to be able to rescue the baby elephant. In the end, the rescue effort was successful, and both mother and baby elephants returned safely to their natural environment.
Wow!
The wild boar was fortunately discovered by humans in time, who helped it escape from the pond.
Welcome back to the life.
Prolonged thirst in the hot weather of the desert makes the lion no longer have its ferocious nature when humans help it quench its thirst. The baby elephant accidentally got lost in the swamp. But thanks to the timeliness of rangers and local fishermen, he was eventually brought back to shore and reunited with his mother. Look closely. At this sea turtle's back, clusters of barnacles cling to its shell. They're not just painful, they make every swim harder. Thankfully, this turtle was rescued just in time. In the video, you'll see the rescue team use simple tools to carefully remove each barnacle. Every move is gentle. Every move matters. This delicate process protects the turtle's fragile shell and skin, and as the weight is lifted, you can almost see the turtle breathe easier, regaining its strength. Barnacles don't just irritate, they dig in, tear the skin, and open the door to dangerous infections. That's why rescues like this are so important. Your like, your share, your comment. They amplify the dedication of these rescuers. Show them the appreciation they truly deserve. Don't worry, little turtle. We're here to help you. With persistent effort, they finally freed the turtle from its struggles and pain.
Get this one. Hey! Woo, buddy.
While exploring the ocean, two divers came across a shark struggling to remove a fish hook lodged deep in its mouth. Without a second thought, the two brave girls swam closer. After several minutes of careful effort, they successfully freed the shark.
Oh damn. Oh no. Still alive.
This poor turtle might not have survived if it hadn't been lucky enough to cross paths with these kind people.
Oh wow.
Panic, fear, and walking around in despair. That's how this bear felt when his head was stuck in a jar. These brave people braved the danger when facing the giant bear with the aim of helping it escape this condition. Thank God, they successfully regained the poor bear's freedom. Next is the case of a giant dog weighing about 60 kilograms accidentally falling into a sewer at a construction site. Luckily, workers discovered it and helped it escape this difficult situation. A basketball net is definitely not the ideal home for this little raccoon. After humans help you escape, run back to your mother and where you belong. Every time I see this type of rescue, I hold my breath. Thank you, rescue team. You guys are the best.
Hi, cutie. Oh my God.
How
you are
pitiful
so
for the raccoon.
freaking Cute.
When he was stuck in a trash can, thanks to his intelligence and agility, this girl made a sound just in time to free him from the dangerous situation. Oh, how pitiful the wolf was caught in the trap. He was probably in pain and despair, but luckily, this guy appeared and bravely freed it. I was surprised to see that the wolf did not rush to leave after being freed, but looked at him as if to show his gratitude. Sometimes all it takes is a simple action from you to help a thirsty animal like this armadillo. It's enough to make others appreciate your kindness. Every creature, no matter how small, is still a living being. They deserve human help when they fall into difficult situations. The volunteer group, consisting of quite elderly members, successfully tried to rescue a poor horse stuck in the mud. Their actions not only demonstrate kindness, but are also a clear testament to their sacrifice and dedication to the safety and well-being of animals. After being rescued by a benevolent person and brought onto the boat, the eagle hoped that after a waiting period, his wings would be drier and he could fly freely back into the sky. Just a simple action of this man sharing food with stray cats. We can also see that he is a person who loves animals. Was helped by the woman to escape from the porch. The hawk seemed surprised, but at that moment, it also realized that this was a kind person. I couldn't imagine what bad things would happen to the dog whose owner left him in the car for many hours. Luckily, it was discovered and rescued by police officers. It looks so adorable in the act of showing gratitude to them. These people are working hard to create the road, with the aim of rescuing the elephant seal stuck in a deep hole. It stood and looked at them with eyes full of gratitude before returning to the ocean. I couldn't help but wonder why this eagle could get into the car like that. But I also admire their actions. They look very professional. Oh, I really admire human intelligence. They use the best to help this bird recover its broken beak. It is very grateful for that action. This person gave the poor kitten a second chance at life. Without their help, it probably wouldn't have survived on these dangerous streets. He is a kind person who brought joy and hope to the camel mother and child, while also contributing to protecting wildlife. The little sheep was trapped in the fence, struggling to break free, but unable to escape. Fortunately, this kind man noticed and helped it out of the tight spot. This mother dog begged for help to save her pups, and fortunately, the humans understood. The brothers quickly rescued her and brought her back to her babies. A tiny fox found itself stuck in a fence, its legs tightly caught. Fortunately, a man spotted it and stepped in to help. Seeing its injuries, he rushed it to the vet for care. The sight of this little goat, full of life despite its challenges, is a beautiful reminder to be grateful. Life is precious. Stay optimistic, appreciate what you have, and spread joy like this resilient little goat. Without the help of these heroes, the mouse's life would have been at great risk. The baby elephant, trapped in a hole, was rescued by the local people and safely brought to safety.
Ona došla zbog vode ovdje.
Straying into a residential area and falling into a pool, the deer found a lifesaver in a quick-thinking young rescuer.
Let's go, let it go. Oh!
These two men stepped in to free a horse trapped among the trees. Without their help, the horse's fate could have been much worse.
Let me take that off your head. Come on now. It's okay.